Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? I haven't said that saying in like 2 weeks, okay? And I miss sitting down talking to y'all. Like, yes, I love it. I do apologize if the lighting is a little off. It's really gloomy outside, so all we have is my ring light. That's it. So I apologize if it look a little funky, but you know why we're here. You seen the title and you seen the thumbnail, so hopefully your girl looks good. It's a color I've never worn before, so I'm really nervous about that. No, I'm a little cheap, cheapity cheap. This wig, I think it goes for like $40. But yes, y'all, and I can't return it. Is y'all ready? Is y'all ready to be introduced to my new friend? Bam! So we have this Sensationnel. Y'all know my last Sensationnel wig that I tried, y'all. So we have the Sensationnel Cloud 9 Swiss Lace. What lace? 100% premium fiber. And this is Chrissy. And I got it in the color T1B Dark Teal. Who I think I am? Who do I think I am? So we're going to go ahead and open her up and see what Miss Chrissy talking about. So is y'all ready? I'm so excited, y'all, and nervous at the same time because I'm going to have to lay this wig. This is the stock card. Okay, this is Chrissy fresh out the pack. So she is a shorter unit. I will be reviewing shorter units for, you know, because it's warming up outside. Don't nobody want all that hair all down their neck and all that. Like, So I got y'all. Let's go ahead and look at the lace. Here is the lace. And y'all can see my hand through the lace. Okay, on the inside of the wig, we have 2 combs in the front. We have one in the back with the adjustable straps. And this color is really pretty, but it's not like too much, you know? So let's go ahead and do a wig swap. Now, seeing other reviews of this wig, people were saying that the lace is way too light. So, your girl is going to try to do her best. Oh, I am feeling this color on me. Like, what you say? But yes, y'all, you can really tell that the lace is really light. And that is too light for my skin complexion. But that's okay. I've been looking up some hacks on YouTube so we can try to darken that lace. But y'all, look at this hairline. Y'all see it? That is beautiful. Other than the lace being so light, this is, look at this. What? Let's check out the parting of the wig. And you do have parting space in the wig. You're just gonna have to get some heat to lay the wig down. But y'all know I like a part, so I like a left part. And it looks like it has some layers in the front. What? I am about to show up and show out in this wig. Look at this. Oh my God. I'm going to go ahead and turn to the side so y'all can see it. Hold on, let me brush the hair all the way down. Here is the side. Ooh, let me turn around so you can see the back. Oh my God, this is, the last wig that I did with Sensationnel was not very sensational. It wasn't at all, but I am loving this. Chrissy is the bomb, okay? She was worth all that $40-something plus shipping that I spent. Do you hear me? Y'all, if y'all don't get this wig, you better. Okay? Like, what? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take the Sally Hansen Airbrush Legs in Deep Glow. You can't see it too much because of the lighting. I do apologize about that. But I did get this from Walmart, and it was like $3 and some change. So basically, people are using this to, instead of bleaching the knots, they use this to darken up the knots underneath the lace wig. So I'm going to go ahead and try that method out. This is my first time ever doing this method. Bear with me, y'all. Bear with me, okay? So shout out to my daughter for being a mannequin head for me. But if you get airbrush spray on the wig, it comes off really easily with the makeup wipe or a wipe. So just wipe it off. But as you can see, it's not so bright as it's not so bright as it was before. I'm gonna cut the lace while the wig is still on my head. I'm gonna try to actually lay this wig down with Got to Be Glued. So it's like we're doing a first time everything in this video. Just gonna go ahead and take some of my Got to Be Glued freeze spray, and I'm gonna spray it along the lace. Like, as you can see, the lace is like really, really light. And that is definitely have been what is it? A con of this wig. Okay, y'all, and I'm back to give y'all my final thoughts of this wig. Excuse Brenda that's sitting like right there in the middle of my eyebrows. You always want to break out at the wrong time. But y'all, I love this wig. Honestly, I really love this wig. I love the color. The hair has entangled. I haven't experienced no shedding. And I've been working on this wig for about almost 2 hours, trying to get the lace to blend. The lace is something that you have to work with. It was very hard for me because you guys know that I'm not experienced with laying lace and bleaching knots and all that. Y'all know I just started wearing wigs not too long ago, and most of the time I don't do anything to the hairline. So this was a bit of a challenge for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the beauty supply store and get a foam head so I can work on the lace a little bit more, because this wig is too bomb to be sitting up in my closet because I can't get the lace right. You can still see the lace a little bit, but I want to work on it some more. I did use my darker concealer shade that I used to contour. And I also used some dark brown hairspray, and I sprayed it along the lace. And, you know, I'm going to work with it some more because I feel like this could look a lot better. But for my first time, I think I did pretty good. Drop a comment down below. Let me know. Don't be in the comment section like, girl, you don't know what you're doing. I know. You ain't got to tell me. I don't know what I'm doing. It's the first time for everything, and we learning together, y'all. But I would recommend this wig. This wig is so bomb, y'all. You just gotta work with the lace. And hopefully Sensationnel will listen to everyone's reviews and try to get the lace to be a little bit more darker. But I feel like if you take the time out, you can make it do what it do. Okay? Y'all, I love this wig so much. Do you hear me? Like, I like the color on me. I just like the way it falls. I like the way it looks, you know. I like the way you look at me. Yes, this wig is so bomb. And this wig has made me want to venture out and try more colors because I did not think this color was going to look good on me. But if you guys have any comments or any questions regarding this wig, drop them down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you like this video, like this wig, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It does help your girl out, okay? If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.